ITR filing season is here and the last date to file ITR is 31st July 2023. क्या ITR का नाम सुनते ही आपको लगता है क्या स्ट्रेस है ये, इससे कितना बर्डन हो जाता है? तो you are wrong here. At Text to Win, we are here for your help to make this process easy and smooth. My name is Nitya Nair and I am from Text to Win. Today I will tell you the way how you can file easily an ITR with Text to Win within few minutes. At Text to Win, there are two processes through which you can file ITR. First is DIY, that is do it yourself. Second is get an expert help. Why you need an expert help? That is at those situations when you don't know how to file ITR and there are many complexities related to your ITR filing, then you can definitely contact our experts. Today in this video, we will talk about how to file ITR yourself through our DIY option that is free. First, you have to visit the Text to Win website where you need to select the option of self-filing after login. On the self-filing option, you will see income from salary, income from foreign, income from capital gains, these options. You can select whichever income source you have received. Further, you need to upload Form 16, which you must have received from your employer. Once you will continue, you have to provide your PAN details, the financial year for which you are providing the details. For this financial year, it is 20 to 23. Your date of birth. Also, if you want a pre-filled data or not. So, if you want a pre-filled data, you have to select the yes option and we will directly import the data from the Income Tax Department website. After selecting the yes option, you have to enter the OTP. Once you will enter the OTP, it will ask you to verify it. Verify it. Once it is verified, your pre-filled data is uploaded. Further, provide your basic details like your name, your father's name, mobile number and email ID and continue. Secondly, provide the furthermore details like your address where you are located. Thirdly, you have to provide your employment details where salary details are included and employer details are already submitted. You have to provide your deduction details if you have invested in any. Further, provide your bank and Aadhaar details in which you will receive the income tax refund if any available. Now you can provide the details of Form 26AS. Now provide the information of your ITR details like return filing type or if you have already filing return of income under 7th provision to section 139(1), yes or no. Continue. Filing ITR is incomplete without selecting your tax regime. So now you will get the option of selecting the preferable tax regime. That is, you want to select an old tax regime or a new one. Once you select the one, you have to tick the checkbox and continue. So here is how you can file the ITR. So why to wait more? Hurry up and file your ITR today at Text to Win.